Hey, hey guys. So, uh, this girl texted me, you ugly rat barf. Can I have a random squishy or I'll leave a bad review? I'll say, okay, ... What color? Let's see for her response. She said pastels, now hurry fatty. Since she's really rude, I probably won't give her those colors. I'm gonna say, what name? Let's wait for her response. She said Hannah. Now get to work now. Alright, so let's go to Squishy Magic and make her the opposite from what she wanted because she's really mean and I feel like that was really too mean. So let's give her like a, like a gross color squishy, yeah. So okay, so remember what she wanted. She said she wanted a random squishy. So since she was being really, really mean, I think I'm gonna give her like an alien or something because that was really mean. So I'm gonna give her alien. Alright, now let's give her some really bad colors instead of pastel because she was being really mean. So let's give her like a really gross orange for the alien. Yuck. Now it's fine if you guys like it, but I just don't really like that color. Let's give it this really weird stone for the eyes. Let's give it really gross, brown. Let's add this really gross black on these spots. Let's give this a really gross brown. Now down here is gonna be really gross color, like a green. Like that green. Ugh, look. Disgusting. Let's do this one. Alright, that's disgusting. Now, she didn't really say what background, so I'm gonna get one that doesn't even match. Because she didn't really specific. And plus she was really mean, so let's give her this really gross underwater, because that does not even match the squishy. She said Hannah, so let's go like that, because that's disgusting looking. Now let's put it in a gift, and of course make it something she thought would be nice. Let's put a green and a pink or red, just so she thinks it's really nice. Now let me send this. She just said, ew, that's not what I asked for. Bad review sent rat. I'm gonna say, well, you should not be so rude next time. Let's see for her response. She just said, ugh, whatever. So I'm gonna say, see ya. Wouldn't. Actually, no, that would be mean. See ya. Now let me. Thank you for watching this so much. This is the map I used to go right here for the whole roleplay. And I used my own account. I just went like this and paused it. Download Burn the Food. It's really fun. Me and my friend we just got all of them done. Okay, but thank you so much for watching this TikTok with me, or video, or whatever. So bye bye.